Morning students, the previous class we saw about the soil formation. In this class we will see about the soil erosion, conservation and uses of soil. Soil erosion is the removal or destruction of the top layer of soil by natural forces and human activities. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil, which in turn reduces the agricultural productivity. Running water and wind are the major agents of soil erosion. Sheet erosion, rill erosion and gully erosion are the major types of soil erosion. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. The methods that are widely practiced for conserving soil are afforestation, the process of planting trees, controlled grazing, and construction of dams. Crop rotation, strip farming, contour ploughing, terrace farming, checking shifting cultivation, windbreaks, etc. Now, how long does it take to form soil? The time needed to form a soil depends on the climate. The environments which is characterized by mild climate takes 200 to 400 years to form 1 centimeter of soil, and in wet tropical areas soil formation is faster and takes up to 200 years. To become a well matured soil, it takes about 3000 years. And World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. Now we'll see the uses of soils. Soil is one of the important natural resources. It is a basic requirement for plant growth and supports various life forms on the earth. The minerals present in the soil enhance and nourishes the crops and plants. It is used in making of ceramics or pottery. Pottery, making a pot, and ceramics, that is a mixture of clay and metal. Then it is a source of material for construction and handicraft works. It acts as natural filter of water and purifies it. Soil supports ecosystem and play an important role in land management. Rocks and soils are the important renewable natural resources. Both of them play an important role in everyday life of human beings as well as economic development. Nowadays, rock-based companies are increased, which provide employment to a sizable population, that is a quite large population. Then soils attract human settlement and other economic activities. As India is an agricultural country, the proper management of soil resource will lead to sustainable food production besides its use for various other purposes. So the soil resources must be conserved. Now we'll see the recap. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. The word sedimentary has been derived from Latin word sedimentum, meaning settling down. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks formed first on the earth. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together supports life.